Just me and you, ooh, baby. Just me and you, just the two. Just me and you.
Just got out the shower smelling like a scented candle. Okay, so it's I'll call this day one of me with my lace front install. Moment of truth. So, okay, she told me to wear a silk scarf, so I did that. And then I put this over the rest of it so it would stay pretty straight. It probably didn't stay that straight. I should have did something to it. Oh, wow, this looks like my hair coming out of my head. Ooh. Cool. Okay, I can see how this is gonna last for that long. She said 3 weeks, so gosh. Sleeping on it was okay. Yeah, it was not like it was curlers or anything like that in your hair, so that was easy. Didn't hurt or anything. I was just scared. I don't move that much in my sleep, but I was just scared I was gonna like shift and like it was gonna come up in certain spots, especially like the back. I thought that would be the easiest if I like move too much. But no, it's still intact after one night. Still pretty straight, not like flat iron straight. I'm running late, so I'm not about to flat iron it anyway. But I mean, it's just oh, little do-rag marks. Let's see. Still looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna be like checking in throughout the 3 weeks to see, give you guys updates, because I don't know if you've ever had a lace front, full lace install like this, but like I said, this is my first time, so I want to give you guys what it's like to actually go through the process. Like I said, I can't bend my head like all the way because of this that's in the back. I probably could, but I'm too scared to break it, and then my money would be wasted. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to do my best to answer those questions, like what if you are active and you have a lace front? That was my biggest question. Like, I'm about to be in a basketball tournament. I'll let you guys know how that holds up. I'm about to go to this Indian Bollywood dance class right now, so that's why, I guess this is like workout clothes, but that's why I'm dressed like this. And yeah, but like I said, let me know. Bye. Whew, okay. That was kind of rough. Today was, what is today? Day 2, February 4th. This first day that I played in my basketball tournament. I wanted to show how I wore my hair. She told me to put a scarf around like the edges, and then this probably didn't stay up. I tried to put in like a ponytail, but I didn't want it like sashaying all back and forth, so it's kind of like in a bun thingy. But yeah, let's see. I thought I looked cute with the scarf, so it wasn't like, it didn't look out of place. It just, she said that, she was like, yeah, don't worry about it. People exercise with it and stuff, blah, blah, blah. I don't felt like I sweated it out, like it was fine. That's what I'm trying to say. So all my fears were, I was worrying for nothing, I guess. Day 1 of working out with it, day 2 of actually having it on, and it's still here. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if this is weird, if it smells weird. Okay, no smell. Let's see after 6 games if it starts to smell bad. Let's see. I guess just a side note, not really about working out, but one thing I'm noticing is like the density of it. I wish I would have got just a thicker density, because I feel like at the bottom, I don't like how it looks. Like it gets like stringy out. And so, like with my other wigs, like my synthetic wigs that I have, all the hairs are like, you know, very similar to the same length, but I don't know how to explain it. But basically, a lot of the hairs are not the same length, so it ends up like tapering like this. But yeah, I think this is more, I guess, controlled. I don't feel like after I exercise, I like the scrubbing part of it, but this doesn't have like the scrubbing part. I don't want to like do this up and down all over my face, but at least it's taking off that top layer of dirt. I did splash water on my face, but yeah, I feel like it won't feel as clean as if I scrub it, but it also won't take my wig off, which I paid a lot of money for. So this is gonna have to work for the next 3 weeks, I guess. Be like that. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if I'm explaining it very well, but they're just like a string here, string here, string here, string here, string here. So the girl flat ironed it for me. Maybe that has something to do with it, and it made it very sleek and whatever. So now, I don't know. But anyway, I will probably end up cutting it because I don't like how the bottoms of it look. It looks more thin that way. So I'll cut it here, and then most of the hairs will be about the same length. Yeah. Hey, so update of week 1. This is officially week 1 of having the lace front installed. Let's see. As you can see, it's still on my head. It's still secure. I am enjoying it so far for this 1 week. You know, having long hair for one, having straight hair, which is something I miss a lot of times, but I don't want to, you know, get my natural hair straightened. It has been making me want to like get a perm, because I remember when my hair was just straight and, you know, whatever, but I like that my hair lays down, like not up, if that makes sense. Like, yeah, I just like that it lays down with hats and whatever clothes that I wear. It looks better. I don't really like the ponytail part, which is one of the reasons why I got it with like 360 lace. I can't really see it. I don't know if it looks good or bad, but I just know that it doesn't feel like it's as secure as the back. So like, this is fine to me, you know, like having it straight down and you can't see, you know, underneath like this nape area or whatever. So if you're going for the ponytail look, like, you know, if you're trying to have that, then it might only be able to do that for like after a couple days, you know. It didn't last a week for me, at least. Another thing is, this is probably because my lace wasn't all transparent and stuff, blah blah blah, but like, I think she did a really good job. But like, it's a line, it's more like a sharp kind of line, even though this looks like hairs, you know, from back here or whatever. but you can still see it's like a line, like an edge, like this edge. But I think that comes with the territory, but I'm not experienced with lace fronts. This side is starting to not lift, but it's not as stuck as the rest of my hair, which is not a big deal. This side is still stuck, so maybe there was more glue on this side, whatever. And then another thing, like about the hairline, first of all, no one hopefully is gonna be like all up in here, you know. Like if you looked at anybody's lace front all up in here this close, it wouldn't look good. So keep that in mind. Like take everything as a grain of salt when you see all these models and stuff on Instagram and they got a freaking light shining right here so you can't see everything because there's a glare right there, blah blah blah. Anyway, you get what I'm saying. But I think with the glue, from me like wearing a bonnet or whatever, I think the glue is starting to get kind of dirty, like that whatever adhesive. So it's starting to get darker. The parts where probably my little threads on my scarf or whatever started like sticking onto it. That's extra. But anyway, first week is down. I still am enjoying it. I take every opportunity to tell people that it is a wig, and some people have been surprised and say, oh, that's a wig. So that makes me feel good about myself. It makes me not feel as self-conscious. And this is week 1 out of 3 that I'm really trying to shoot for 3 weeks, like the stylist said. And because of that, I want to experiment with the hair that I have. So it's all this full lace up here, it's supposed to be able to part it, and this and that is human hair that I spent all this money for, and I've been wearing it the same way, you know, this whole week. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. Feel free to drop a comment below. I am interested to see what you guys have in mind. This is it straightened. Thought about curling it. I'm probably gonna cut it at some point. But yeah, what do you think? Let me know.